Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add Gifs to Elementor in WordPress. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your WordPress site. Once inside the dashboard, go to Pages in the left-hand sidebar and select the page where you want your GIF to appear. Click on Edit with Elementor to open the editor. Next, choose the section where you want to place your GIF. Drag and drop the image widget into that section. Click on the widget to open the image settings. Here, you can either upload a new GIF from your device or select one from your media library. After selecting your GIF, check the image size option, usually on the right-hand side. Choose full size or original size to ensure your GIF remains animated and does not convert into a static image. Finally, once your GIF looks perfect and is placed correctly, click Update or Publish at the bottom of the Elementor panel to save your changes. Preview your page to make sure the GIF appears and functions as expected. So that's basically how you can add GIFs to Elementor in WordPress. That's it for this video. Thanks.